about the moment you realize your hobby is becoming something much bigger. You are standing in your workspace, looking at a stack of materials, and you have to decide how you are going to move forward. On one hand, you have this incredibly nimble, portable machine. It is designed for the creator who values simplicity above everything else. This compact specialist is small enough to tuck into a backpack or move from the desk to the dining room table without any drama. It is a dream for hobbyists and people who sell at local craft fairs. You get a clever dual laser system allowing you to jump between wood, leather, and even some metals without a massive learning curve. The software is straightforward. The setup is fast. You can start engraving personalized gifts within minutes of unboxing it. It is approachable and far less intimidating than those huge industrial units. But there's a ceiling to what it can do. If you try to cut through thick boards or run a heavy production cycle, it will struggle. It is a creative tool, not a factory worker. Now, flip the script to the heavy-duty speedster. This is where things get serious. This machine is built for raw power and high-volume output. It is a beast in terms of performance. The speed is genuinely impressive. It finishes jobs in a fraction of the time it takes the smaller unit. If you have a business that relies on quick turnaround times, this is your engine. It offers deeper engraving and cleaner cuts on a much wider variety of tough materials. The build quality feels industrial and premium. It is a permanent fixture for a serious shop. However, you pay for that power. It is much more expensive and significantly heavier. You are not going to be taking this to a mobile setup. The software is also more complex. You will need to spend some real time mastering the advanced features to get the most out of it. It is designed for professional scalability. If your goal is to grow a brand and handle massive workloads, the high-speed powerhouse is the obvious choice. It wins on sheer performance and the ability to handle demanding professional workflows. But do not discount the smaller unit if your priority is simplicity and portability. It remains the perfect gateway for anyone who wants to start making right now without the intimidation factor of a massive industrial rig. One is a nimble partner, the mobile entrepreneur's secret weapon, while the other is the backbone of a serious production line. Every project has a different heartbeat, and matching the right tool to that rhythm is the secret to staying creative without getting burnt out by your own equipment. One major advantage of the smaller unit is how quickly you can knock out custom jobs without needing a dedicated shop. On the other hand, the high-speed unit offers incredible precision even when it is moving at its fastest pace. It maintains sharp details during those long production runs. Ultimately, the choice comes down to whether you want an agile creative tool or a relentless professional machine. Make sure you choose the one that matches the scale of your ambition.